Hello everyone, today I want to talk with you a little bit about backlinks. Right now we're looking at a very simple page which I called linked page, and here we can see the backlinks. So what's a backlink? The backlink shows you exactly how many other pages have links to your current page. And right now this linked page has exactly one backlink. And the backlink is the page that is referring to your link page. So when I click on it, I can actually see the pages that have links to this page. I can click on them, and here I see that this is the link, so I can jump right back by clicking on it. Most of the time, I find this display of the backlinks pretty annoying, so I try to remove them. What I do there is I just click on these three dots, click on customize page, and then backlinks, I set them to off. And that's how you delete them.